Hey folks, Ken Berry here at OB Farms. Today I'm feeding my livestock. I'm scattering hay all over this reclaimed silvopasture paddock. And you may be thinking, scattering hay all over the ground, that's a terrible way to feed your sheep. But the livestock I'm feeding in this case is not my sheep. I'm feeding the soil fungus, the soil bacteria, and the earthworms and all the other arthropods that are going to regenerate this soil for me. So the sheep will nibble at this when they're in the paddock, but that's not the reason I'm spending all these hours listening to audible books and scattering this hay over my acres of previously woods, because what I found is there's tons of leaf litter. You can see where I haven't done it yet. Earthworms and the fungus that promotes grass growth and the bacteria that promote grass growth don't really seem to like leaf litter, but they love hay litter and straw litter. And so I'm going to cover our entire farm, any of the paddocks, over this winter. I'm going to be covering them with this hay and straw. This is old hay that's almost too old to feed to the sheep, but still full of seeds, full of fungus and bacteria, full of lots of nutrition for the earthworms. So all winter long, I'm going to be feeding my livestock, but not the sheep. All the livestock underneath the ground, because I think in the end, I may be wrong about this, tell me if I am, but I think feeding the trillions of livestock that live under the ground are going to make it much easier for me in the future to feed my livestock above the ground. Let me know if you have any advice or comments. This is Ken Berry. See you next time.